Today I want to discuss with you about nationalism in India, which is the most important chapter for class 10th. As you know that from these chapters there are many questions or comes in board exam. So today I want to discuss nationalism in India, born and how nationalism develop in India. So come and start to the topic. It's compulsory that we discuss with you that what's the situation before the time when born nationalism in India. We are know that in the time period of 1885, the beginning of a new approach in Indian history, political organizations was set under the name of Indian National Congress, and the Indian people's mind became increasingly conscious of its political position time period. It means from 1885 to 1947 can be divided in three parts. First, as we know, that from the 1885 to 1905, here the vision of Indian National Congress was dim, vague, and confused, and and this time uh, the middle class people of India who was inspired by the Western liberal and radical thought are lead the time. And second stage is during the 1905 to 1919, the Congress came to of age, and its aim and scope were extended. Discuss about the social, cultural, economic, and political front. Last and final stage, uh, which duration from 1919 to 1947 was dominated by the objective of the Purna Swaraj, or the complete independence, to be the achieved in the leading of Mahatma Gandhi by the Indian method. That's that non-violent and non-cooperation. Uh, the Indian the Indian nationalism grew partly as a result uh, uh, of colonial policies, and partly as a reaction of the colonial policies. If we discuss about uh, how to born the nationalism in India, that we can say here Indian nationalism was the product of a worldwide sense uh, of which is comes from the concept of nationalism and right of self, initiated by the French Revolution, and its result of the Indian Renaissance. तो जब हम ये बात करते हैं कि नेशनलिज्म इंडिया में बॉर्न कैसे हुआ, तो इसके लिए हम दो इम्पोर्टेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फैक्टर्स, और लोग अपने अधिकार के विषय में जान चुके थे। और सेकंड पॉइंट यहाँ है कि भारत का में पुनर्जागरण। देयर आर टू इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हियर which is responsible for the born nationalism in India. First, the French revolutions, by which people know about their right, and second, the Renaissance in India. And second part, that how to develop the nationalism in India, it's sure develop in India as a strong reaction to British imperialism policies in India. तो फर्स्ट हम ये पॉइंट देख रहे थे कि इंडिया में नेशनलिज्म बॉर्न कैसे हुआ। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया में नेशनलिज्म उस समय बॉर्न हुआ जब देश एक महत्वपूर्ण रिवोल्यूशन, एक इम्पोर्टेंट रिवोल्यूशंस कंप्लीट हो चुका था. पीपल्स आर आल्सो नो अबाउट देयर राइट and and the renaissance of in India. And second, how to develop. It's clear, no any doubt here, that the nationalism was developed in India as the reaction of the British imperial policies in India. Next, we discuss with you the what programs are happens uh, as the against of the British policies in India, in which I can take the few important topics here. As first, the First World War, the duration of First World War, role of Mahatma Gandhi, and the Rowlatt Act, and last Jallianwala Bagh इंसिडेंट. वन टॉपिक हम यहाँ क्लियर करते हैं. दैट द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार, द नेशनल मूवमेंट आफ्टर द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार ग्रू इनटू अ वाइड स्प्रेड. देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल हियर. दैट इन द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार created a new economic and the political situations during the war time. The prices are increased, new taxes were imposed, and leading to the extreme hardship for the common peoples. It's the most important factors which is responsible for the reaction of the Indian peoples against to the British government, which is responsible for the development of the nationalism in India. Second, what role of the Mahatma Gandhi? The Congress movement gradually become a mass movement, and the aim of the Congress was now the all-round improvement of the Indian society. In here the Mahatma Gandhi comes in India, and he involved the Congress, and first he give for strength of the peoples in India, and first he says, as I have the five fingers in my hand, also here the requirement of peoples the practice five virtues here. First, spinning. Second, removal of the untouchability. And third, non-consumptions of the alcohol. And next that the Hindu and Muslim unity. And last, equality for the women. गांधी जी ने ये 5 मूल मंत्र यहाँ पर बताए लोगों को. सबसे पहले यहाँ के लोगों को स्ट्रांग होने के लिए, और प्लस में हमारे जो हमारा मूवमेंट चल रहा है उसमें लोगों की स्ट्रेंथ भी इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए ये 5 मूल मंत्र गांधी जी ने सबसे पहले पीपल्स को दिए. फर्स्ट क्या था? स्पाइनिंग. इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इस पॉइंट्स को आप नोट भी कर सकते हैं. स्पाइनिंग. सेकेंड, रिमूवल ऑफ द अनटचेबिलिटी. थर्ड क्या था? नॉन कंजप्शंस ऑफ द एल्कोहल. फोर्थ क्या था? हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. एंड फिफ्थ क्या था? इक्वलिटी फॉर वोमेन. ये 5 ऐसे मूल मंत्र गांधी जी के द्वारा दिए गए जिसके बेस पर क्या हो सकता है कि स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ सकती है और लोगों की स्ट्रांगनेस भी बढ़ सकती है. ओके. इसके साथ साथ ये भी ध्यान देना था, दीज involved defense of law, peaceful achieved through non allowed by the peoples. Okay. Next point, Rowlatt Act. As we know that in 1919 greatly that in 1919 the passing of Rowlatt Act which authorized the government to intrusion of people without trial. The act was opposed by the members also, which is the member in Indian membership of the Legislative Council, but the act will be but act was passed after the opposition of these leaders. While we all know that Madan Mohan Malvi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Majrul Haq, they resigned from the council in the oppose of this act. Next, an important points, Jallianwala Bagh massacre or Jallianwala Bagh incident. The Rowlatt Act came into effect in the March 1990, and on the 6th April there were strikes and protests, hurtle, and we all know that in many places, as also in Punjab, the protest was particularly strong. On the 10th April, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu were arrested and taken to the unknown places to protest enclosed by against this. A public meeting was held on 13th April in Jallianwala Bagh, which is a small park, and it's the enclosed by the building on all sides in Amritsar. But General Dyer with his troops entered the park, close the valley exist, and without giving any warning, and he ordered to fire. These types of, there are many activities which is responsible for the develop of the nationalism thought in India. इसके अलावा और भी हमें इसके विषय में और कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम्स थे जिन पर नेशनलिज्म डेवलप हुआ, उस पॉइंट्स को हम लेकर चलेंगे। जैसे इसमें हम क्या लेंगे, इम्पोर्टेंट रूप से खिलाफत एंड नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट एंड साल्ट मार्च, सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट, ये सारे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जिसे हम